In this episode, let's take a look at this puff bag. Here I use this thread to demonstrate for you. When we pull the thread, we can pull it from the outside or from the inside. It's more convenient to pull the thread from inside. Take out the thread. We use a 6.0 crochet hook here. Then we start the stitch. We start with a slip stitch here. Put the hook needle above the thread and wind it down like this. After winding down, we hold the loop. Hook the needle through the loop like this. Tighten the end of the thread. We need to start with 22 lock stitches. We start like this. Hook the needle through the loop like this. Here is a slip stitch at the position of the first lock stitch, and mark it with a safety pin. Then we need to start 21 stitches. Hook the needle and pull the thread through. Just start 22 stitches in this way. I have finished the 22 stitches. After you finish the stitches, count if there are 22 stitches. Start counting from the first marker. A V-shaped stitch represents a slip stitch. Here, I have 22 stitches. Then we back to stitches and crochet. This is the first stitch. This is the first stitch. Then we start to crochet from this stitch. And crochet 21 short stitches on this side. And hook it like this. For the second stitch, we hook a short stitch from this stitch. Insert the hook and pull the thread through. After hooking it out, hook a short stitch and directly pass through the two loops. This is the first stitch. We'll put a marker on the first stitch. Continue to the back. This big hole has been crocheted. We insert the hook into the front stitch. Insert the hook needle and hook it out. Pass through both loops at once. This is the second stitch. Same. The same for the third, fourth, fifth, sixth stitches. The fourth stitch. Fifth stitch. Sixth stitch. 7. Yes. 1. Yes. Okay. 20. Then the marker. This stitch is the 21st stitch. We remove the marker and crochet a short stitch in this stitch. The first round of 21 short stitches is done. After hooking, we lock a stitch. After locking one stitch, turn the knitting piece over like this. After turning it over, we insert the needle here, at the V-shaped part. This is the first stitch. And this is the second stitch. We insert the hook here. We insert the hook into the second stitch and hook a short stitch. Then continue to hook to chain stitches. After hooking to slip stitches, we continue to work in this V-shaped part. To hook 6 incomplete long stitches, yarn over the hook and then insert it into this hole. And pull it out like this. After hooking it out, there are 3 loops on the needle. Hook the front 2 loops with the hook and thread. This is the first incomplete long stitch. Continue to thread the hook through the large hole. After hooking it out, hook the front to loops. This is the second incomplete long stitch. Continue to pass the hook through the loop. Hook it out. After hooking it out, hook through the first 2 loops first. This is the third incomplete long stitch. Here are 4, 5, 6 incomplete long stitches. After hooking, there are 7 loops on the needle. Look at it. After you finish crocheting, are there 7 loops on the needle? Then we hook the needle and wind the thread. Pass through these 7 loops at once. After hooking the 7 loops, then we leave 1 or 2 stitches empty and enter the needle at the 3rd stitch. This is the 1st, 2nd, we insert the hook into the 3rd stitch like this. After inserting the hook, we wind the thread to make a short stitch and continue to lock 2 stitches in the same stitch and hook 6 incomplete long stitches. Hook the needle through the stitch and pull it out. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. 6 incomplete long stitches. After hooking, there are still 7 loops on the needle. Pass the 7 loops with the crochet hook at once. Then leave 2 stitches empty. Then enter the needle in the 3rd stitch like this and hook a short stitch. Continue to lock 2 stitches in the same stitch and hook 6 incomplete long stitches. With 7 loops on the hook, pass the 7 loops with the crochet hook at once. Then leave 2 stitches empty and enter the needle at the 3rd stitch and hook a short stitch and 2 chain stitches. Continue to work in this large hole 6 incomplete long stitches and pass the hook through. This is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth one. Then hook the thread and hook over. Hook 2 stitches and make a short stitch here and 2 chain stitches. This is the way to crochet the whole circle. The same goes for the last stitch here. Then we are at the stitch marked by the marker. To make a short stitch, remove the marker, pass 2 loops through this stitch, and hook in this stitch to make a short stitch. So, there are 7 puff stitches in the second round. Please count if there are 7. If it's not 7, you've hooked it wrong. Then we lock one stitch and turn it over. After locking one stitch, we are on the previous round here. We'll make 2 braids in this stitch and hook into the large hole of the needle. Look, here is also a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the braid and pull the needle through the large hole. This is a short stitch. Continue to hook to slip stitches. Repeat the same 6 incomplete long stitches as the last round. Hook the needle through the large hole and pull it out. This is the first stitch. Second stitch. Third stitch. Fourth stitch. Fifth stitch. The sixth one, 6 incomplete long stitches. After hooking these 6 incomplete long stitches at once. Then, in the same way, in the last round, the large hole where the slip stitch is made. This big hole is to separate these 2 balls. Then here is the position of the 2 lock stitches in the last round. We insert the hook here. Insert the hook needle and pull it out to make a short stitch. Continue to hook to slip stitches. Hook the needle through the large hole and wind the thread and hook 6 incomplete long stitches. 1. Yes. 3, 4. Yes. After hooking 6 stitches, wind the hook around them all at once. The same goes for the following, all in the position of the previous round of chain stitches. This round will make 6 puff stitches. When you finish crocheting, be sure to count if there are 7 loops on the needle. 7 loops. Then continue. If not, then crochet another incomplete long stitch. Here is the third round. After the last one is finished, we'll crochet a short stitch in this large hole. After crocheting a short stitch, crochet to chain stitches. Then turn it over and hook the 4th round. The 4th round, we'll crochet in the stitch of this short stitch. Hook the needle and thread through this stitch, and hook 6 incomplete long stitches. Six incomplete long stitches. After hooking, wind the hook around through the needle at once. Then also in these 2. At the position where we hook to chains, to make a short stitch. 2 slip stitches. Continue in this stitch. And hook 6 incomplete long stitches. Repeat this process for the entire row. Then in this large hole, to crochet a short stitch and a slip stitch. The fourth round is done. After the fourth round, we turn the fabric over.